Here at the NCF, you can build a resilient Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
At the heart of every dreamer lies a future of limitless possibilities. At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers a high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger. Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Leap into the limitless possibilities at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated College of Computer Studies, where your journey to becoming a tech visionary begins. We provide cutting-edge curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities to create an ideal setting for hands-on learning and innovation. We offer 4 programs where you will develop your critical thinking and problem-solving, equipped with technical skills in fostering professional growth. Your future in tech starts here. Choose NCF College of Computer Studies.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, where we invest in shaping the future of the healthcare industry, with competent clinical instructors that guarantee students to obtain the best possible hands-on instruction, with multiple private and public linkages, along with community-based programs that further elevate our students' learning experience. Our institution provides immersive laboratories, AI-powered patient models to innovate learning environments to help the students to gain hands-on experience with the current technology. Be part of us as we go on a quest to build a healthier future while unlocking your full potential here at Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences.
To empower the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
Here at the NCF, you can build a salient foundation for your career.
Our department can offer you the best academic journey.
College of Teacher Education can give you first-hand experience to hone your specialties with its equipment that can enhance your skills and knowledge.
Also, to develop lifelong learners who are globally competent and ethically efficient and responsive to the needs of the time.
Do you want to leap into your future? Be part of the College of Teacher Education.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
At the heart of every dreamer lies a future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger. Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission.
designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Leap into the limitless possibilities at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated College of Computer Studies, where your journey to becoming a tech visionary begins. We provide cutting-edge curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities to create an ideal setting for hands-on learning and innovation. We offer 4 programs where you will develop your critical thinking and problem-solving, equipped with technical skills in fostering professional growth. Your future in tech starts here. Choose NCF College of Computer Studies.
Welcome.
This is Bucal Season 6 Volleyball, where future rise. Rick, let's keep the ball rolling as we start the first set.
So who will draw the first blood for this both teams? Very interesting. Pamukid Lady Blue Dragons versus the USI Lady Falcons.
So kanina nga Rika, no, nang nag-warm up talaga, nakikita mo talagang they're very excited to face each other. Sa Pamukid, may mga spiker. I was surprised na kahit hindi sila nabayaan ng height, pero matataas tumalon, malalakas pumalo. At dito naman sa side ng USI, malakas ang middle nila because may height advantage. But let's see on how are they going to penetrate.
USI Falcons to serve. And our first point will go on the side of Pamukid.
No one is expecting that, Rick.
It's their team captain, jersey number 5, delivering their first point. Now, let's see kung patuloy ba dito yung puntos on their side. Ayan, free ball will be given on the side of their team. Set up in the middle. And again, their team captain.
Single block no more for the Pamukid National High School. Yan talaga ang sinasabi natin na kahit hindi mataas, as long as may versatility sa loob ng court, talagang makakapuntos yan. Plus, malakas silang pumalo.
Talang kaabang-abang ang ipapakita pa nitong Pamukid. 2 straight points for them, but too strong on that service. So free point will be given on the side of USI Falcons. On deck to serve, jersey number 6. Nice first ball. Setting up. Jersey number 10 and catches that end line.
That
wow.
was a good read, Rick.
Yes.
Targeting down the line, facing 2 blockers. Ang ganda ng laro ngayon ng Pamukid. But, USI is trying to catching up.
Anyway, this is just the start of our first quarter. So anything can happen. But again, Pamukid, jersey number 5.
That's their team captain.
Yes.
Servilon, their team captain, is starting the rain in the first set. On the opposite, a broken play. And that was way out of the antenna. A free point for the Falcons.
Now, chance on the side of Falcons to add their score here. Great serve, but ball still alive.
That was too long for USI Falcons.
Unforced error for these both teams. Very evident para dito sa ating first set. Now, jersey number 3 to serve. Jersey number 6 setting up Barrosa, giving up a free ball on the side of Pamukid. In the middle.
Medyo kapos lang doon.
Good intention sana on the side of their team, but poor execution. Mandasok to serve.
That was a good read for the Pamukid. And also, let's commend the underhand set. The versatility of Pamukid is really showing in this first set.
Kitang-kita on that instant replay. Grabe yung attacking efficiency nitong Pamukid. Nagsisimula pa lang pero talagang pumapalo.
Now that was a free ball. Chance for Pamukid. Challenging the double block and targeting that down the line.
Again, you cannot give free ball on the side of their team because kahit nga alanganin yung mga set dito nitong Pamukid, talagang pinapalo at ginagawa ng paraan upang makakuha ng puntos.
Now straight to the net. A back-to-back point for Pamukid.
Then let's talk about their standing dito sa Bucal. Itong Pamukid, meron ng 2-1. And on the other side of things, 1-2 naman. So, kita natin dito na talagang itong Pamukid gustong madagdagan itong panalo nila on their pool. Meanwhile, this USI having difficulties when it comes to their first ball. That's why hindi nakaka-execute ng maayos ang kanilang setter.
Now, a good defense for Pamukid. The team captain showing a back row attack. Now, another chance for Pamukid to manufacture a kill. Now, a free ball for the Falcons. Can they end it?
Ball still alive. Pamukid. No good. Straight to the net, yes.
Nanggigil doon.
It's Santa Rosa having an attack error on that last sequence. Let's see kung makakabawi ang kanilang kupunan. Now, USI to serve, but straight to the net. Another unforced error on the side of USA Falcons. You cannot afford to give free points on your opponents knowing na kayo yung naghahabol dito.
And I think they have to maximize their height.
Yes.
And that catches the line for towering the blockers of Pamukid. And that's a good point for Sena.
Good offense this time on the side of their team. Viola to serve. Cornell setting up their team captain, finding that open spot on the side of
And I
their
guess
team.
that was no blocker, Rick.
Yes. Look at that. Cross-court, sharp cross-court on the side of Pamukid.
And again, the
Small but
exceptional
terrible, yes.
set, underhand set for their setter. Now serving Olaguer. Another poor reception for the Falcons. On the middle. But a good chase coming from the Falcons. And that was a lucky point again for Sena, trying to pump up their team. Let's look at it again. Sena targeting the end line.
Yun yung kailangan dito yung USA Falcons na i-maximize yung kanilang wing spiker. Ball is still alive. Now, Falcons has the chance to score here. Soft touch by Mandasok and it was successful. Kitang-kita on that replay. 7-11 is our score. Cornell setting up. Aqua at buhay pa rin ang bola. But 4 touches ang itatawag dito on the side of Falcons.
Ang nagiging problema dito ng USA Falcons, when they have a little run, nagkaka-error sila. And I think they have to focus on their consistency.
Yes.
Kasi nakaka-atake na sila, maganda na yung receive nila, but the consistency is lacking for the Falcons.
And speaking
of consistency, yan dapat ang ipakita nila. Really reading the offense and the defense of Pamukid and putting the ball on the open hole. Another unforced error.
Again, yun yung na-notice natin dito on the side of Falcons. Nagkakaroon sila dito ng magandang opensa but at the same time, hindi maiwasan yung unforced error on their side and team captain on the side of Lady Blue Dragons. Grabe, mapa-service line and dito sa ating front
Kaya niya
line.
ata lahat,
Yes.
Rick. A very decorated player. Again, a good serve.
Good up. Now, pipe attack. Napalkas
That was
naman.
a little too far for their team captain.
Falcons on deck to serve. Coronel back set. Ball is still alive. Now Barosa will try.
Another unforced error for Barosa.
Miss hit on that last attack. Now, Lady Blue Dragons naman to serve. Benviaje. And this time, jersey number 2, Mandasok. Makakabawi dito. Let's take a look one more time for that replay.
Challenging the blockers for Mandasok. Talaga namang pinapakita na kayang humabol ng USI, knowing that the Blue Dragons is now ahead 5 points. A back-to-back point for that girl on your screen, Mandasok.
(15-11), 4 more points to even this matchup. Mandasok. Another beautiful serve. And back-to-back service ace for her. And with that, 3 puntos na lamang dito, Aljon, ang kanilang tatrabahuhin para maitabla ang first set na ito. Mandasok one more time to serve.
No chance for Pamukid to stop the bleeding here. Mandasok straight to the net.
Unfortunately, again, yung kanilang unforced error dito, yung pumapatay sa momentum na hawak on the side of Falcons. Meanwhile, a beautiful side out on the side of Pamukid. Back set. Great dig.
Yes, Rick. Now, a free ball. How can USI end this rally? Another good dig. And a pipe attack. A good dig again. Now we're seeing a little long rally here.
Cornell setting up her middle.
There's no touch. Yes, there's no touch. The point will awarded to USI Falcons.
So we are loving the rally here for these both teams. Coronel setting up jersey number 11. One more time for her. Great work on the side of USA Falcons. Cervillon to jersey number 11 with that soft touch. Andon si Barosa. Villaviaje to Mandasok. Ball is still alive. Coronel. One more time for jersey number 11. What a defense shown on the side of USI Falcons.
And that time, Rick, Falcons are successful in getting that point. Again, reading the defense of the Pamukid. Talagang hinulog lang doon sa open spot na yon. And Pamukid wasn't able to get that ball. A miscue on the side of Pamukid. Now, a 1-point lead for Pamukid.
Great chase on the side of Falcons. Barosa on deck to serve. So unfortunately, service error. So again, naputol na naman dito yung momentum or yung run on the side of USI Falcons.
Santa Rosa to serve. That's gonna be a free ball. Their team captain. Wow! And a good dig for the Falcons. A miscue. No chance for Pamukid, their team captain, trying to be more creative. And that was a good kill for Sena, and high five coming from their coach. Let's look at it again. Challenging the single block.
Punsha. Ipapasok dito in exchange of Viola. I think service specialist on the side of USI Falcons. Punsha to serve. Great serve! And great impact. Wow. And with that, we are all tied up at 17.
It's all about doing your work in the court. Yes. Service specialist.
Another sharp serve. Coronel setting up her teammates.
That's a good kill for Pamukid, challenging the tall blocker of USI.
No coverage on the side of Falcons on that last sequence.
Olager to serve, targeting the end zone.
Soft touch. Nabasa dito, Coronel. Setting up. Ball is still alive. Now, USA Falcons will try, but unfortunately, straight to the net attack.
Now a 2-point lead for Blue Dragons. Olaguer still on the deck to serve.
Buenaviaje setting up jersey number 11, Sena, but too strong on that attack. Too much power on that spike.
Now a free ball for the Blue Dragons. The team captain with an exclamation point. 21-17, 4 points away. Now let's see it again. The team captain leading her team. They're now 4 points away and winning the first set.
And this is a strong front line on the side of Pamukid, knowing that their team captain Cervillon is
exactly
in front. Talagang poporsyento dito itong si Coronel. Pag nagkaroon ng magandang first ball, talagang magsaset ito on their team captain because knowing their team captain, talagang nakakapatay ng bola.
Exactly, Rick.
That's why I believe Cervillon is very much utilized on the side of their team dito sa natitirang 4 points on getting this first set. So let's see kung anong gagawing adjustment on the side of this Falcons because nabanggit mo kanina na may mga tall blockers naman itong ating USI.
True.
So they need to maximize that net defense.
US now at their receiving end. They have to do something to get this point. Again, Pamukid. That was a good fake, a combination. I think first time natin yung nakita dito sa first set. They're gonna be more creative because they're now getting the momentum 3 points away in closing this first set.
And I love the ball distribution itong si Coronel coming from setting in zone 3 and on the twin spiker. So a variety of plays. Talagang mako-confuse dito yung blockers on the side of Falcons.
That girl, the team captain, wow. Every position in front, kaya niya mapa-open, middle, and even the opposite.
Grabe, an all-around player on the side of Lady Blue Dragons. Buenviaje setting up, was dug up, and now in the middle with soft touch, Cervillon, nabasa ito ng libero. Another free ball. Coronel, kanino ibibigay? Great dig. But a ball, free ball on the side of Pamukid, and great dig naman ngayon on the side of Falcons.
And a good block coming from the team captain. A good block, a sweeper at the net. Yes. A one-on-one at the court. And I think I saw a little stare down, Rick.
Yes. Mapa-offense and defense. Talagang wow, very versatile player on the side of their team.
That was a good coverage there. Now, can USA Falcon stop the Pamukid getting the first set? Again, the team captain. Soft touch, no good.
Falcons will try. Andun yung libero. Coronel setting up her wing spiker. Great coverage. Now Mandasok at the back, finding that donut hole on the side of Pamukid National High School.
That's the USI want to get a 1 point at a time.
Yes.
Reading the defenders and where to put the ball to get a point.
Now Sena to serve. Coronel, back set to Cervillon. But ball still alive though. Coronel to jersey number 3, pero no good. No ball touch.
Another wasted opportunity to close this first set. Now, USI Falcons have to be more extra careful in terms of their service.
Yes.
Now, that's a good serve. Can team captain end this? And a 2. Touches violation. Pambukid. Press the timeout.
Yes.
Now, Rick, ano ang nararamdaman mo ngayon knowing that Pamukid is 1 point away and USI Falcons is 4 points away?
Wow. 24-20, never say die on the side of Falcons. Though it's a little bit late para dito sa ating USI Falcons. But again, hanggat hindi pa nakakapag-25 itong Pamukid, talagang dapat wag maging kampante ang kanilang kupunan. And on the side of USI Falcons, no room for error. They need to play perfection for this first set if they want to chase this 4-point lead na hawak ng Pamukid. Now, after this timeout, what would be the adjustment on the side of their team?
As you've said, perfection. Can we see a perfection after the serve? Now, Pamukid is on the attack. They have to adjust on that set. The team captain, 3 points away for USI Falcons. And now the coach of Blue Dragons talking. Now the team captain.
Pipe attack. Great dig. Now opportunity on the side of Falcons. But a great coverage. Free ball. Buen viaje. Miscommunication, but the ball will go on the side of Pamukid with that pipe attack. Buhay pa rin dito. Mandasok.
Now the team captain. No good. A long rally. And a free ball again. Can they end it? Another free ball.
What a rally. Senna, unfortunately, having an attack error that leads to the 1-set win on the side of Pamukid National High School. We will be right back for our second set only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
And we are back here sa loob ng NCF covered court for our second set matchup between the Lady Falcons and the Lady Blue Dragons. So, napunta nga dito sa Lady Blue Dragons yung ating first set and very evident when it comes to attacking efficiency. Talagang lamang dito yung ating pamukid. Knowing their team captain na talagang pumuporsyento itong si Cervellon, mapa back row and mapa frontline. Talagang very effective. So, the big question here is, paano magkakaroon ng adjustment itong USI kung mababantayan na ba itong team captain ng pamukid and at the same time, ma-maximize din ang wing spiker nila because on the latter part of our first set, maganda din yung mga attack ng USI. So, let's see kung anong mangyayari dito sa ating pangalawang set.
I think USI must focus on minimizing their errors in terms of their attacks. Because may palo sila, may receive sila, but in terms of their errors, yun talaga ang masyadong mataas. But we'll see on how they can adjust in the second set. But to hear more some updates on the side of the Blue Dragons, let's call our courtside reporter later. But now, a point will go to the Blue Dragon.
Now, Blue Dragon, Lady Blue Dragon, jersey number 11 to serve. Now, free ball ang ibibigay sa kanilang kupunan. Soft touch. But a net violation was called on the side of Pamukid. 1-1 para dito sa pagsisimula ng ating pangalawang set.
Now team captain received that ball. A good coverage. Another free ball for Blue Dragons. But wasn't able to keep that ball alive. 2-1 for our second set.
This is a good start on the side of USA Falcons. 2-1. Barosa with that beautiful serve. Too strong, Aljon, para dito kay Cervellon on that attack.
Now, the Pamukid struggling to have a good first ball.
Barosa again on deck to serve. Wow, great hustle on that floor defense. Off touch, andon si Mandasok. Buen viaje, setting up Mandasok. But too strong on that attack. And yan, Aljan, I believe handang-handa na dito mag-report ang ating courtside reporter on the side of Pamukid Lady Blue Dragons. So anong update natin dyan, Precious?
Yes, Rick and Aljan, nag-uumpisa pa lamang tayo pero talagang umaangat ang baong drive ng Pamukid Lady Blue Dragons with their fixed mindset. Communicate as a team, imagine that there's always a guide, neglect the errors and maintain focus. Ay talaga namang mas pinapalakas nila ang kanilang depensa ngayong hapon. But then again, we're far from the last buzzer kaya patuloy tayong tumutok at tunghayan ang kapanapanabik na laban between the USI Lady Falcons Falcons versus Pamukid Blue Dragons. That's all for now. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Algin.
Thank you so much, Precious. The fixed mindset to win this game against the USI Falcons. But we're seeing a little long rally here. The Blue Dragons on the attack. Bounce back. And wasn't able to keep that ball alive.
So this time, nakikita natin dito yung net defense on the side of Falcons, courtesy of Margallo. So ito yung tinutukoy mo, Aljan, kanina, na gamitin ang height at depensahan dito yung net on the side of their team. Now, anong pagbawi dito, catching that end line, Cervellon, hindi papayag na hindi makakabawi.
And you know, USI is ahead of 1 point, and to give me some more update on the side of the Falcons, let's toss it to the courtside reporter, Zai.
Maraming salamat, Rick and Algin. Here we are starting the second quarter strong. Sobrang nagkakalapit na nga ang scores ng dalawang koponan na to. During the first set, it was a close call, and one of my observations dito sa side ng Lady Falcons is that mainam ang kanilang mga service errors. Their movements are well calculated and executed. Maliksi ang depensa at maganda ang ball movement. One of the players that caught my attention is jersey number 7, Barosa. Her movements are precise and well written. Kudos to her coaches for the great training. Not to mention that the players of the USI are a tad taller than the players of the Pamukid. But in terms of force and strength, medyo kailangan pa nilang i-increase ng sobrang onti pa. But anyways, we have a really great gameplay ngayon. Kaya Rick and Algin, who's your bet sa dalawang koponan na to? Balik muna sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Zai, for that update. So yun, nabanggit nga dito ni Zai ang sa side ng USI Falcons. When it comes to height, talagang abante dito ang kanilang koponan. But again, they need to strengthen their attacks para dito sa ating laro. Para mapantayan dito yung energy na binibigay sa atin na Cervellon, your team captain, on the side of Lady Blue Dragons. And on this second quarter, 7-5 is our score, and the lead is on the side of USI Falcons. Mandasok on deck to serve, and one player on the side of Falcons, Sena, shaking her feet here. I hope it's not that serious.
That sails out for Cervellon. Miscalculation on that end line.
Now Mandasok on deck to serve. Coronel setting up jersey number 10. Hindi nagustuhan yung set na yon. USI Falcons on their middle. Ball is still alive. This time, great dig coming from the libero. Barosa will give up a free ball. Chance for the Pamukid Lady Blue Dragon to score. Great stop para sa blockers. Too tight on that set. Pamukid will try. And 4 touches, Aljan, ang itatawag dito
That
on the
was
side of their team.
Yes, Rick, straight to the net. A wasted opportunity to close that point. Now USI, so on the deck to serve.
Coronel, pipe attack. Ball is still alive. Ben Viaje to Mandasok. But Mandasok, an attack error for her. 9-6 is our score. Again, if you're on the side of USI Falcons, you cannot afford to give a free point to your opponent knowing kung paano maghabol itong Pamukid. Sena, free ball on the side of Pamukid National High School. Great stop. Barosa naman on the other side. Another unforced error, back-to-back for them. Let's take a look one more time for that instant replay. Regalo sana yun, Aljon.
That could have been a gift, Rick. Exactly what you've said. Again, a wasted opportunity.
Barosa babawi. Free ball will be given on the side of their team. Benviaje. And a free ball coming from the libero. Coronel on her middle. Na-late dito yung blocker on the side of USI Falcons. And with that, 1 point lead na lamang dito ang kanilang iniingatan para sa ating second set.
And that was a good swift of momentum. 1 point and tying this second set. Another free ball. The Blue Dragons on the open, challenging the double block, but still that ball was alive. Now on the open, good pickup from the Falcons. But in terms of attack, Blue Dragons can really manufacture a kill.
We are outside of at 9 points for the second quarter. And just a glimpse, Aljon, tabla na tayo dito sa ating laro. Now Sena with that attack, great coverage. Attack error committed by Cervellon on that last play ng Giggle Aljon. Itong si Cervellon on that last setup ng kanyang setter.
I think she was targeting the down the line, but it was too much. Now, again, the painful, unforced error coming from the Falcons. We are now tied up at 10.
Jersey number 6 to serve. Great serve. The table last turn on the side of Pamukid National High School, overtaking the lead. Courtesy of Santa Rosa.
Now run-in, we'll check in.
So, a substitution on the side of the Lady Falcons here, trying a new combination of players on the side of coach. Barosa. But a net defense or net violation, Aljon, on the side of Pamukid, courtesy of their team captain. I'm so sorry for that mistake.
Again, the unforced errors of USI Falcons are their problem in the second set. The Blue Dragon is on the deck to serve.
Benviaje to Barosa, soft touch, and doon si jersey number 6. But a double contact violation was called on the setter, Coronel, on the side of their team. Wow, nakakailang deadlock na tayo, Aljon, dito sa ating second set. So far, so good for these both teams.
Now team captain with that serve. And an answer coming from Cervellano, the team captain of the Blue Dragon, with an exclamation point. Look at that attack, challenging the blocker. A soft touch straight to the net. Two points ahead for Blue Dragons. Make it that 3. And a timeout called by the USI Falcons. And for more action, tune in at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we're back in the volleyball action here at NCF Covered Court.
Now, after the timeout, anong gagawin dito ng Falcons to chase the lead? Poor first ball and a miscommunication on the side of Falcons. And with that, abanta na naman dito itong ating Pamukid National High School at ayun nga Aljon, ibabalik si Sena sa loob ng court dito sa side ng Yesay Falcons.
That's an unforced error for Blue Dragon. Now the opportunity is on the side of the Falcon. They have to do something to tie this score 13-16. Now, an unforced error on the side of Blue Dragon.
And now, chance for the Falcons here to lessen the gap. Jersey number 6, Buen Viaje to serve. Back-to-back service error for both teams. This is the main problem for these both teams, their unforced error. That's why nagkakaroon sila dito ng hard times inside the court. Free ball will be given on the side of Falcons. And this time, Margallo activated in the middle.
That was a good placement on that zone. No defenders for Blue Dragon. Now we'll see if they can cross the serve on the other side of the court. And a good serve coming from that girl, Margallo.
A great momentum on their side. Another great serve. And with that, Aljon, another deadlock of the match. 17-all is our score for the second set. Now Margallo doing great job on that service line.
Now,
one more time for her.
She's targeting the team captain. Now targeting the libero. Now an easy pickup. And a wasted opportunity. Soft touch, no good. On the opposite, straight to the net. 4 touches for Sena. A point for Blue Dragon.
1 point lead on the side of Pamukid. On deck to serve, jersey number 3. Benviaje, back set. And makakakuha pa dito si Mandasok ng point on the side of their team.
And the defenders wasn't prepared to pick up that ball.
Now Mandasok to serve. Coronel setting up her wing spiker. Great dig. Barrosa naman ngayon. Coronel. Matatawagan dito ng 2 touches violation. This is the hardest part of being a setter.
That's true.
Those errors.
When your team have a good first ball and then you're the problem. Because you committed 2 touches. But I guess babawi top setter ng Blue Dragon.
Now let's see kung babawi nga ba. And
that's what I'm talking about. The comeback. And now we're tied up again at 19.
Beautiful down the line hit on the side of Pamuk National High School. And now on deck to serve is their team. Barrosa. Power tip, nabantayan dito. Pipe attack para kay Servillon. Great dig. And now Barrosa will give up a free ball. Coronel in her middle. Great stop. The rally continues. Sena. Andon si jersey number 5. And this time, nagkakaroon tayo ng long rally. Great defense on both teams. Buen viaje. Setting up Barrosa. Fires that one. Ball and rally is still alive. Sena naman. Wow! Sena ending that long rally.
Sena, that girl, challenging the blocker and targeting that zone. Now you can see, Rick, that Sena wasn't hesitating to kill that ball. And now, 2019.
Same girl on deck to serve. Great serve. And a free ball will be given on the side of their team. Chance for them to add their score here. But the ball still alive. Servillon. Babawi pero andun yung libero. Now,
a painful unforced error coming from a wonderful dig. Now, the girl of blue, the team captain, really leading her team to tie it up this set 20 all. 5 points away for both teams.
And now, Servillon. This is good on the side of Pamukid. Nasa front line na siya. But, pinabayaan yung free ball na yon on the side of Pamukid. Not knowing na babagsak yon at the end of the line on their court. Wow. Yes, ay Falcons ngayon 4 more points to close and tie this series para dito sa ating match.
A pressure situation for both teams.
Great serve coming from Punsha. Team captain with that down the line hit.
Now, 21 all. The team captain.
Wow.
That girl, Rick, on your screen, challenging the single block and targeting with an exclamation point the down the line. That ball drops in. Wow. 21-22.
Now, USA Falcons. Sayang dito yung pinagtrabahuhan kung hindi dito ihahabol itong ating score in our second quarter, or rather second set. Another beautiful serve. And a free ball will be given on the side of Pamukid. Coronel, 1-2 play. Nabantayan dito, pipe attack coming from Mandasok. And Mandasok puts that one in. Let's take a look on that pipe attack sa instant replay at mapapatawag nga dito ng timeout ang side ng Pamukid National High School because again, deadlock tayo sa ating pangalawang set, 22 all. Ay, syempre, Aljon, this is not possible without our dearest sponsors.
Presented by Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, Lemon Residences, NCF Wings, Nagayon Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Cafe 3, NCF Indoor Firing Range, NCF Training Pool, NCF Driving School, and also special thanks to Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC, Bucal Party List, Anjena Trading, Surge Fitness Lifestyle, and Angels Pizza. And with that girl on a down the line attack You cannot stop her. We're deadlocked again at 23. Blue Dragon is on the deck to serve. Coronel. Again, the unforced error.
$23 when Viaje to serve. Great serve. Coronel to Cervellon one more time. Flying and scoring on the side of Pamukid National High School. Taking their team sa ating set point.
Now the team captain is on the deck to serve, trying to close this set. Falcons. A free ball. Can Dragon end it? No. Another chance for the Falcons. But it's straight to the net again. A painful unforced error, 25-23. And for more action, tune in at our live stream only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
At the heart of every dreamer lies the future of limitless possibilities. At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. we are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
And we're back inside the court of NCF. 2-0. Now, the Pamukid Blue Dragons is on their way to snatch this third set and wanting to end this match with a good and exceptional game against the USI Falcons.
So let's see kung masa-straight set ba nitong ating Pamukid National High School, itong ating USI Falcons. Yan ang aabangan natin dito. Or will the USI Falcons snatch and get this third set to prolong this match? So yan ang aabangan natin dito. Now, USI Falcons on deck to serve. Cervellon to Coronel, 1-2 play. Nabasa dito naman Dasok. And now Barrosa. Straight to the net attack. Grabe, napakaagang error on the side of their team. Again, they need to lessen their error if they want to win or extend this match. But the Pamukid National High School continuously dominating this volleyball court with this 2-0 para dito sa ating third set.
Now again, a back-to-back unforced error for both teams. Now both teams are trying to snatch a win from each other, but the advantage is on the side of Blue Dragons. But also an opportunity to USI to prolong and stretch this match into a fourth set. Now a rally. And to give us some more update on the side of USI Falcons, let's hear it from our courtside reporter, Zai. We'll talk to her later, but for now, a long rally continues.
But this time, Aldon Sena, with the help of the net, successful in that attack.
And to check in our courtside reporter, on the side of USI, let's toss to our courtside reporter, Zai.
Rick and Aljon, unfortunately, the Lady Falcons were unable to secure the second set. However, much like what transpired in the opening set, it remained a tightly contested battle, with both teams going head-to-head in a thrilling exchange of points. Despite falling short, the Lady Falcons continue to show resilience and determination, proving that they are more than capable of bouncing back as the match progresses. Kitang-kita pa rin ang kanilang tapang at determinasyon. With their fighting spirit, they still have a great chance to turn things around. In the next sets, that's all the updates I have for now. Rick and Aljon, balik muna sa inyo.
And thank you so much, Zai, for that update. So, yun nga, USI Lady Falcons still striving and strengthening their offense at this moment to lessen their errors and at the same time, makakuha ng isang set dito sa ating larong ito. And we have a long rally here. Buen viaje. Pipe attack coming from Barrosa. And Barrosa successful on that one. And with that, 4-2 ang ating score. Wow. This is the effort na hinahanap ng coaching staff on the side of USI Falcons. If you're on the side of this USI Lady Falcons, you need to double their effort if you want an extended match for this afternoon. 4-2, USA Falcons to serve. But too strong or too much angle on that serve. It goes out. 3-4 on our scoreboard. And to hear an update on the other side of things, let's call our courtside reporter, Precious. Hi Precious! Tatapusin na ba dito ng Pumukid National High School itong ating match na ito?
Yes, Rick and Aljan, we're down to the crucial phase of this afternoon's matchup, and the pressure remains on for the Lady Blue Dragons as they continuously protect their defenses. During the huddle, muling ipinaalala ni Coach Jason sa kupunan na panatilihin ang komunikasyon sa loob ng laro. Bigyang diin ang kumpiyansa sa bawat palo ng bola at i-enjoy lamang ang momentum. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you, Precious. The kumpiyansa of the team, especially themselves, because if you have the confidence, you can really get the point in every opportunity that is given to you. Now, deadlock at 5.
Falcons on the attack. Oh, and a single block para dito kay jersey number 6, Santa Rosa. Beautiful rejection at the net on that last sequence, 6-5. And a substitution on the side of Falcons.
Now Olaguer serve that ball. And a miscue for Viola. Now again, Olaguer is on the deck to serve. Can USI get this point, towering those blockers? On the hit out, that's good. 8-5 on the third set.
Wow, using the hands of the blockers on the side of Pamukid. 8-5 is our score. And now, Ranin setting up. Too strong on that attack on the side of USA Falcons. And with that last error, mapapatawag dito ng timeout ang kanilang kupunan. 9-5 is our score. And the lead is on the side of Pamukid National High School. They really want this game. They really want to end this with a 3-0. So let's see kung yun nga ang gagawin dito ng Pamukid National High School. And on the side of USA Falcons, after this timeout, what would be the adjustment, the gameplay dito sa kanilang kupunan, because it seems like they are having difficulties inside this hard court. Again, they need their burning passion here para dito sa larong ito. If they want to win this and prolong this match, they really need to win this set. Now, jersey number 3 on deck to serve.
With an exclamation point challenging the blocker, that girl on your screen, Senna, leading her team now 9-6. She's on the deck to serve. Now chance at the pipe with the team captain. But an easy pickup now. A free ball. Can Blue Dragons end it? A violation. Double contact. A point will still be awarded to the Falcon. Senna is on the deck to serve. That sails out. Again, the unforced error. No, Pamplona is on the deck to serve. Targeting the end line. But she wasn't successful. An exchange of unforced error. Now, Rick, this crucial moment, these teams must minimize giving a free point because they are wanting to close this match. On the side of USI Falcons, you shouldn't have give free points because the Blue Dragons can easily snatch a set and win the game. But you're on the side of the Blue Dragons, hindi mo ibibigay ang set na ito because you don't have to prolong and give your opponent the persistent and the motivation. And that sequence nga nakuha ng Falcons ang puntos na yon with a cross court.
Now, USA Falcons to serve. Coronel setting up their team captain. Nice dig coming from Mandasok. Barrosa on her own version of that powerful attack. 11-10 is our score, and ayun naman, substitution on the side of Pamukid. Babalik dito sa loob si Santa Rosa. Coronel, back set to Olaguer. Ball is still alive. Margallo will give up a free ball. Coronel in the middle. Great dig on the side of Falcons. Chance for them to score. Barrosa. Namantayan dito ni Santa Rosa. And now jersey number 11. The rally continues for these both teams.
Now, 11 all. Another deadlock for this third set. Both teams giving their best to get that point. Now on the deck to serve. USI Falcons. The team captain with an exclamation. One point ahead dito ang Blue Dragon. Now chance for the Falcons. Soft touch. Pipe attack, good pickup. And the unlucky unforced error for the setter. Now a back-to-back points for Blue Dragons. 13-11. A poor reception. Now a free ball. Chance for a kill. And the team captain challenging the single block. You can really see that screen that really challenging the blocker at powering it through. Hindi talaga nag-iba yung power ni Servillon, the first set and the third set. Now again, poor reception. Nakablock pa nga doon ang team captain. Now 11-15.
Pamukid on deck to serve. Sharp serve. Back set to Barrosa. Bantay sarado dito. Gagawa ng paraan yung set na yon. Ball still alive. Barrosa on that side of court. Coronel. Ball is still alive. Coronel. Back set. And successful pipe attack to jersey number 11 on the side of Pamukid National High School, Olaguer.
And the ball is really good on the side of Blue Dragons from the open to the pipe, and even the opposite. But that sequence, a good read for Mandosok. 16-12. The Falcon is on the deck to serve. And a point for the Falcons. 4 touches. Three points ahead dito ang Blue Dragons. And now, USI Falcons trying to close this lead. The team captain with a creative point, really finding the hole on that blocker. Now Coronel serves, and that was a point for that girl. A timeout was called by the Falcons, and the Blue Dragons, I guess they're feeling it because they are few points away and defeating the Falcons, knowing that the Falcons is they're new in Bucal, but a new team is actually a challenge for them. But also, the opportunity of a new team is to showcase who they are, their talent, and that's the epitome of the Blue Dragons. 18-13 in our third set.
And now, Pamuki National High School, they are laughing it at this moment. Another great serve. Pero Mandosok, an attack error, crucial attack error on the side of Falcons. And with that, 6 more points on the side of Pamukid to get their win dito sa ating quarterfinals match. And a crossing violation was called on the side of their team. Back-to-back unforced error. This is very painful on the side of USA Falcons. Talagang ang pumapatay sa kanila dito sa larong ito is their error. Sena babawi, pero andon si jersey number 6. Attack. And stepping on that line, an illegal attack, illegal back row attack on the side of Pamuki National High School. And a substitution on the side of Pamukid.
Now a new setter, checking in, Olaguer, an underhand set. And a free point. 5-point lead for the Blue Dragon. An underhand set, too close to the net, ginawa ng paraan. On the opposite, Olaguer, the chase. Now Ken Falcon. A free ball. Olaguer, the underhand set. And that was a powerful kill for Cervellon. And let's commend the setter, Olaguer. That little girl on your screen with an exceptional underhand set.
Wow. An instant impact on the side of Pamukid National High School with that substitution. And now, 4 more points on the side of Pamukid to secure this win against the USA Lady Falcons. And now, on deck to serve, jersey number 18. Poor first ball. So another chance on the side of Pamukid here. Dalage, back set. Ball is still alive. Barrosa will try. Andon yung depensa. Great exchange of attack. Mandasok getting a check on that last attack on the side of Pamukid. 21-16 on the side or on the scoreboard para dito sa ating third quarter.
I think that ball seems to go out. However, the Falcons trying to get that ball. That resulted to a point for the Falcons. The underhand set targeting the end line. Wow, towering the blocker. Now Coach Colombo really exchanging the players. What a good substitution and decision making. 22-16. 3 points away from a victory.
Now, Dalaguer on deck to serve. Medyo cold hands pa itong si Dalaguer kasi kakapasok pa lamang dito sa ating match. It's understandable though para sa mga bagong substitution dito. Now Sena on deck to serve.
A heavy float serve. And Olaguer couldn't handle that ball. Now the team captain will check in.
Sena. One more time for that serve. Great serve. And a miscommunication on the side of Pamukid. And with that, mapapatawag sila dito ng timeout because this USA Falcons umaarangkada na naman dito sa ating latter part of third set. On your screen is the snapshot on the side of USA Lady Falcons. And thank you so much po sa ating mga live viewers dito or live audience dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court and also on our live viewers sa ating live coverage. Thank you so much and happy watching. Up next, meron pa po tayong 2 remaining games para sa araw na ito for our quarterfinals match dito sa ating Bucal Women's Division Volleyball Season 6. Ayan. Sena again on deck to serve. Another great serve. Chance for them to score. Barrosa, unfortunately, committing an error.
No risk action on that sequence. A crucial error coming from the Falcons. 23-19. Now can USI get this point? A free ball. On the open, challenging the single block. A good coverage. And an error that leads to a 24 set point or rather match point on the side of the Blue Dragons. A little too strong. I think she's excited for that win.
Sino ba naman Aljon ang hindi? Because it's our quarter-final round. So anything is important with this match. They need a good first ball. Free ball will be given on the side of Falcons. Chance for them to add their score here. Dalaguer, the jersey number 11. Great coverage. Sena. Buhay pa rin dito ang bola.
Now we're seeing a long rally on the open. Again, a good pickup at the pipe, soft touch, and that's good. Walang bitawan dito.
One match point save on the side of USA Falcons. Wow. Talagang kapit kung kapit.
That's true. I think the audience are holding their breath on that last sequence.
Very crucial serve. And a service ace.
I would say a must-needed point coming from that girl. Wow. Now both teams, they have to calm down and really focus for the side of Blue Dragons. They must focus on closing the set, and on the side of the Falcons, they must focus on how to extend the set and get the point one at a time, I'd say.
So if you're on the side of Pamukid National High School, if you want to end this, you really need to have a good first ball and a good setup of play and a great kill. And if you're on the side of USA Falcons naman, no room for error. Yan ang dapat itatak dito. On the side of Falcons,
Olaguer. Now, off touch, no good. The team captain and a catch for the Falcons. Pipe attack.
Dalaguer setting up in the middle and catching that end line. And that's the final attack on this match. Congratulations to Pamukid National High School on winning this game against the USI Falcons. 25-22 is our final score. What a 3-set victory para dito sa ating baguhan pa nga dito sa ating liga. Wow! An impressive match between these two teams. Looking forward for this beautiful encounter para dito sa Pamukid National High School. Thank you so much, and when we come back, makikilala natin ang ating best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education. College of Accountancy and Finance. College of Business and Management. College of Engineering. College of Health Sciences. College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
At the heart of every dreamer lies a future of limitless possibilities. At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
What an exceptional performance for Pamukid National High School Blue Dragons. You've showcased what volleyball really is. And our best player of the game is none other than their team captain, Mia Rose Cervillon, with 20 points, 15 attacks, 2 blocks, 3 aces, 4 excellent digs, and 3 excellent receptions. Congratulations, Mia. All hail to the queen of this game. Mia, I would like to ask, ano yung preparations nyo as a team heading to this match? Kalaban nyo ang USI Falcons.
So, ngayon po, yung mga preparation pong ginawa namin is yung araw-araw pong pagtitraining, and marami pong nagtitiwala sa amin na tumutulong mag-training po sa amin, and ayun po, tiwala lang po talaga sa isa't isa, and game mode po, yung tilang,
basta yung tiwala sa sarili at game mode. Pumunta naman tayo more on a personal level. Ano yung preparations mo kasi makakalaban mo hindi baguhan sa Bucal at kayo bagong pasok sa Bucal? Ano naman yung mga ginagawa mo personally at yung mga motivations mo naman?
So, tinitake advantage po namin yung first time po namin sali sa Bucal po, Season 6. And super thank you po yan kay Sir Jason na nakapasok po kami rito and sa tiwala niya po. At yung mga ginawa ko po, di ba po yung mga struggles po na
You've overcome your struggles, and the very last...
Like, mga sakit ng katawan po, yung pagigising ng umaga para mag-training ng whole day po. And another day na naman, tomorrow is another day po, para magpalakas at paghandaan po yung kalaban na USI. And yung USI po kasi, pinapanood po namin talaga yung laro nila. And last year, okay po. Okay na.
And very last one, would you like to give shout out to your supporters and to all the people who supported you coming for this game?
So, shout out po sa mga nagdadaralan po sa live and sa mga support po. Like, kay nanay po, kay tatay, sa mga cousins ko po na nandito, nanonood. Tas sa mga nag-support po sa amin na makapasok pa kami rito, na nagbigay po ng financial, ng pang gastos po sa mga namin. Super thank you po sa kanila.
And that's our best player of the game, Mia. Congratulations to your teams and good luck to your next games. And this has been your best player of the game brought to you by Naga College Foundation.
And there you have it. That's our best player of the game coming from Pamukid Lady Blue Dragons. What a win para sa kanilang kupunan. Again, on our background, nakikita natin ang ating next game. It's between the Ateneo Lady Knights versus the CBSUA Lady Buffaloes. So again, my name is Rick Puerta.
And I'm Aljon C. Bolopogoy. Thank you for supporting Bucal Season 6, only here at Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.